So what does integrity mean? Integrity refers to the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. It's about doing the right thing even when no one is watching. When a person has integrity, they are trustworthy, ethical, and consistent in their actions, words, and values. She is a person of integrity who always keeps her promises. Let's take a look at more examples to help you understand how integrity is used. The company values integrity and expects all employees to follow ethical guidelines. His integrity as a leader made him well respected by his team. Even when tempted, she maintained her integrity and did the right thing. As you can see, integrity is used to describe the moral character of a person or an organization, emphasizing honesty, ethical behavior, and trustworthiness. You might be wondering, when should I use the word integrity? You use integrity when you want to describe someone who consistently behaves in an honest, ethical, and morally upright way. It's often used in personal, professional, and even social contexts. For example, if someone is always honest, keeps their word, and does the right thing, you could say they have integrity. His integrity was evident when he admitted his mistake instead of covering it up. Quick recap: integrity means being honest and having strong moral principles. It refers to a person's character, especially when they are consistent in their actions and values, even when no one is watching. You use integrity when talking about someone who is ethical, trustworthy, and behaves in a morally upright way. Now you know what integrity means and how to use it in different situations.